The Wet Brush Original Detangling Hairbrush in Classic Black is a game changer for hair care enthusiasts. Welcome to Beautyistic, where today we'll dive deep into this innovative product designed to make detangling effortless and enjoyable. The Wet Brush boasts exclusive ultra-soft IntelliFlex bristles that glide through tangles and knots with ease. Designed to minimize damage, the brush claims to reduce hair breakage by 45% and make the brushing experience 55% easier. Whether your hair is long, short, curly, or straight, this brush promises to work wonders, making it suitable for all hair types, wet or dry. In my experience, using the wet brush was incredibly straightforward. The lightweight design felt comfortable in my hand, and the bristles maneuvered through my hair without pulling or snagging. I tested it on both wet and dry hair, and each time it effortlessly detangled, leaving my hair feeling smooth and manageable. When evaluating performance, the wet brush truly lives up to its reputation. I noticed that my hair felt healthier after brushing, with significantly less breakage and fewer split ends. During testing, it glided through my daughter's curly hair without any tears, an absolute win for parents. Let's discuss the pros and cons. On the positive side, the brush's ergonomic design and flexible bristles significantly reduce pain during detangling sessions. Additionally, its versatility across various hair types is a major plus. However, some users with very thick or coarse hair might find the bristles a bit too soft, requiring additional strokes for thorough detangling. Compared to other similar brushes on the market, the wet brush stands out due to its unique IntelliFlex technology. While there are cheaper alternatives available, such as the Tangle Teaser, they may not provide the same level of comfort or performance. If you're looking for budget-friendly options, brushes like the Conair Quick Blowout may be worth considering, though they typically lack the specialized bristle design. When it comes to value for money, the wet brush offers excellent durability and effectiveness, making it a solid investment for anyone seeking an efficient detangling solution. The materials feel sturdy, and despite frequent use, I didn't notice any significant wear and tear. User-friendliness is another highlight. The wet brush's design promotes an easy brushing experience, even for kids. Customer service has also been reported as responsive and helpful should any issues arise. After using the wet brush in real-world scenarios, I can confidently say it performed exceptionally well. It consistently delivered a painless detangling experience, whether I used it on myself or on my child. In conclusion, I wholeheartedly recommend the Wet Brush Original Detangling Hairbrush to anyone looking for a quality detangling solution. It's particularly well-suited for parents, busy professionals, or anyone who values healthy hair. With a track record of customer satisfaction and positive reviews, it's a product that stands the test of time. Thank you for watching. You can find the link to purchase the wet brush in the comments below. Feel free to ask any questions about this product or share your experiences if you've tried it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fantastic content from Beautyistic.